had the rest of Clive's Bulla, and I'm ready for the next segment.
Did you say the word?
I did, because I didn't have I don't like to say the word, but I say it anyway because we're in another country and it doesn't mean anything. Yeah, so I had that. And I'm ready to take on the world. So in this morning's Something to Sing About segment, our challenge is to create lyrics about our experience so far this morning. Oh, so
this
far this morning?
No, we thought you meant like from the time we started.
Yeah. I like the rhythm for the next one.
The way you want to interpret it.
Yeah, so Simi, you can go first because
no, you go first.
No, Chuma just have the Bulla. I think. Oh, the song is Susan Vega's 80s hit, Tom's, I didn't even know that was a thing, Tom's Diner. Let's see if we can capture the essence of the day in a fun way. All right, so.
My thing is not about the day, my thing is about, which artist them put this for?
Can we turn it up a little? 80s nostalgia.
No, it's short, but come on, man.
Simi, you go first.
No, you go first. Go on now. Also, we're going to get the instrumental, right?
Because I wrote mine. Where do I look? In this camera, that camera, this camera, where do I look? All right, so I need a little rhythm here.
Watch hype, man. Oh. Go.
Oh, can you be my backup dancer?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, ready. I am waking in the darkness, pull the covers on my head. Then I feel a little panic, smile Jamaica, out of bed. I jump into the shower, brush my teeth and fix my hair. Grab my clothes and grab my keys, hit the road with morning air. Da 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 da. Hey, Pulo! You want me to continue because I have another verse?
Yes, of course.
Hey. In the silence I am praying, giving thanks for one more day. City lights are slowly fading as I drive along my way. To the studio I am heading, makeup chair, then mic and set. Cameras rolling, lights are glowing, it's the best morning yet.
Huh? That should be your first TikTok post.
I'm tired.
That first, and then your story as a ghost.
Well, first of all, I cannot sing, so that ain't going
to. Never bad.
No.
You have one more verse?
No, me not have no more verse. Your turn. I'm gonna be a backup dancer.
No, but
I'm gonna be a backup dancer. Ready?
I completely misinterpreted the assignment, you know. So I've gone back to 1997 when I just came here.
That's fine.
What I thought I read. What she say?
No problem, no problem. I'm your backup dancer.
Because she want to see here, all this cup from me, Clive. Bulla man. She's gone back to 1997. Move no man with lyrics up on my phone,
yeah.
Sir. Right.
Hey, give us the music now in the air, Anita. Give her some inspo.
All right. Okay. So I was 18 when I got here, very green and very nervous. But the people that I met here all made sure it was adventurous. Mistakes and lessons later, I am still here in the building. And before I looked around, so much time had come and gone. Do da papa do da papa da pa do da do da do ba pa da da. That was 1997, and I grew up on your TV. When you wake up in the mornings, you will very likely see me. I'm here doing Smile Jamaica, and it's always nice to see you. And of late, I've been sim-souling, and I hope it's bringing you joy.
I love it!
Well, it has really been an honor to be doing what I love to, and I'm praying for the chance to get to do it way, way longer. And I thank the team who's loved me and supported me all along this really happy journey that I hope will never end.
I'm tired.
Now you can pull it up. Dash it where?
No.
Dash for that. Eh? Don't dash it.
That was good.
We're bad.
Boom.
No banana trash.
Bap.
Not for real. You make Janella come here and done your one time.
How was that as a back dance?
Girl power. You were
good.
brilliant.
Yeah.
And your song was like,
Yeah.
you clocked that T. Do this.
Oh, that's what that means. Oh my God.
We'll be right back.
Oh, we will be. That's what that means? Clock that T? What does that even mean?
We'll be right back.
Is that even a thing?
You clock the T. Just so thanks, no?
Thank you.
Okay.
You clock the T.
Master.
Say that in English.
Clock that T. Clock that T.
Say that in English.
Clock that T. You did really, really well. Like you.
Who taught you this?
ate that.
Who taught you this?
Aaron Nicole.